up, guys? Today we're gonna take off my bumper. About time I start putting on that DK drift bumper on. My boy Jesse right here. We're also painting his lip, his racer ass lip, putting on his G. And from the last video you saw that we both got that up rev tune, so stay tuned. We're about to run it and see who gets the gap sauce.
Yeah.
Alright, we got the bumper off. Out with the old and with the new.
Thanks. So we're not using those clips, you said?
You might have to take off that little foam thing, huh?
We'll take it in the way, but it doesn't have a tab into it.
Oh, you can take the tab out. After some work, Jesse and I finally got the bumper on. I didn't have any time to put the side markers in, but I was able to get the bulbs at least plugged in so I don't get pulled over, and license plate lights. And the hard part about this build, this bumper, was that it was really raw, so it didn't come with any of the tabs or holes or anything, so I had to use a lot of self-tapping screws and kind of it's not as clean as I wanted it to be, but I mean, it's on, and I've been wanting to put it on for a while, so I finally got it on. And for Jesse's car, got his lip on, as you can see right here. Ooh! Get some double set of tape. It's looking good. All right, peace. It's the next day. No Jesse today, but today I plan on putting in the side markers along with the license plate lights. So today at work I made this with the help of one of my coworkers. Just a piece of steel, has the cutouts for the little lights, and then I drilled 2 holes here that I'm gonna self-tapper into the sides here. It won't be really visible, but it'll look a lot cleaner instead of having the lights dangle. Same thing for these, and we're just gonna have the lights just probably double-sided tape them in here, either that or epoxy them in. Yeah, I think this bumper turned out pretty good. Fitment's okay, but I like it. Alright, I just shaved off those little nubs that were off the side markers, and now they fit for the most part. Nice. Alright, as you can see, they fit, and I got the license plate lights right here. The other side, just have one self-tapping screw on the far side there and far side here, and it's pretty sturdy.